Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a bargain bike special for you. It's a 2008 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. This bike has seen a little bit of action. We're offering it as a bargain bike because we're not going to do all of the cosmetic repairs and stuff on it. We're just going to sell it as is, where is, how is. I'll try to point everything out to you on it. Looks like it's seen a little action here on this front fender. Got a few more little marks around on it there on the fender. Got a little ding here in this spot. Does have a nice set of ape hangers on it with steel braided lines and cables. Got the mounting hardware there for a windshield. We didn't get a windshield with the bike though. The bags have seen some weather and some miles, so you might be able to soften those up a little bit. Put you some stiffeners in there and bring them back more into shape. They're a little bit dry, so you might use some Neat's Foot oil or saddle soap or something on them. Got a set of upgraded mufflers. I'm not sure what brand they are. They do have a little volume to them. You can see the seat here is weathered a little bit too. Kind of got the little wave in it. A little tear right in here. The tank's got a few little signs on it. A little spot here. And then over here on this side, it's got a little spot. So she's not pristine by any means, but it runs good. It's a 96-inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. It's got 71,159 miles on it. So this bike was ridden. Doesn't mean it was abused, it's just ridden. Good tire on the rear. Plenty of tread left on that front tire as well. She sounds good. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.